Through there, thank you.
That's great, thank you very much. Well, certainly wasn't expecting the train guard to come through. It's given me a return. It was the only single that I was after. Sometimes if I'm at my mates and I'm getting the 5 to 12 train, I just walk straight through, but that's the first time I've been that the guards come around asking for that. But it's a must, I suppose. Apologies if I had to make this into part 4. I could combine the videos when I go home, but I'll probably just upload them. Incidentally, I was looking at the number of videos on YouTube, right, and the record for uploading the number of videos in one day is 102, I believe. I uploaded 94 of them that day I went to Aberdeen, from what I counted, including the ones where I was talking to you. And basically the pardon me, it's my dinner coming back and made the chorizos I had with my dinner. Basically, I think you know what I'm going to say. Could I maybe go in for that? The record number for the number of uploads in one day? I reckon for me to upload 102 videos in one day to this channel could be achievable. I mean, look at that. According to what it tells me on my phone, I've over 1,600 uploads so far, close to 1,700. And the most uploads is a guy called Raoul Van something, I can't remember his name, and he's got over 2 million videos on his channel. There is no chance I'm going to catch up with him. No chance. I'm not even looking to catch up with him. It's not a contest. My purpose is to entertain you guys. You know? Alright, there's videos in the dark. There's quite a lot of them actually at the moment. These will probably continue until springtime. So, unfortunately there's nothing I can do about that, apart from do some spotting during the day, but you know me, I enjoy doing it at night time as well. So, as I said, tomorrow going through to my work at Cumbernauld FM on the radio, on air from 2 if you want to tune in, 106.8 FM if you're in the local area, or cumbernauld.fm.co.uk if you're listening anywhere in the world, feel free to tune in. And basically what I'm doing is, on the way home I'll get the City Link from Cumbernauld at 5 to 7 I believe it is, because I finish at 6, so we'll do a little bit of bus spotting in Cumbernauld between then, or between 6 and 10 to 7, something like that, and then we'll just head and get the bus back to Stirling, and then get the next one from there back to
We'll soon arrive at
Tilfutry,
which is the last station on this route. Make sure you have all your belongings with you when you leave the train. If you see any unattended luggage, please tell a member of staff. Keep your ticket easily accessible to get you through the automatic ticket gates quickly. We hope you enjoyed your journey and thank you for travelling ScotRail.
Well, there are no ticket barriers at Alloa. It's an unstaffed station. We're just gone into our train station now. Time is 23:03, so the train's on time, which is good. That's what we like to see. and with a bit of luck, the taxi will be sitting there waiting. Obviously I'm not going to film a taxi journey, that'd be a bit boring. Mind you, some people say that filming the train journey in the dark's a bit boring, but it is what it is. I'm actually meant to have an electrician coming into the house tomorrow, which reminds me I'll need to give him a ring and see if I can change it, because I'm working tomorrow. I'll just send him a little text. I'm going to be honest, this train is absolutely roasting. Well, here we are. Wasn't expecting that. A bit of a step there. Well, anyway, we're in Alloa and it's raining, so I shall bid you good night. I'll speak to you tomorrow.